guys, if you're looking for a move-in ready home or some that are going to be done the next 2 to 3 months that are a little bit, well, quite a bit higher end than some of the other builders in the area, we got one we want to show you today.
Yeah, today we're in Hewing Farms in Summerville, almost on the Goose Creek line, right? It's a Summerville address.
Yep, that's
right. Right across the street is Goose Creek, though. And if we don't know each other, my name is Mark. This is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group, and we talk about all things from Charleston down to Edisto, up to Myrtle Beach soon, all the way up to Santee, and we do a lot of work here in Summerville.
Yeah, so this neighborhood is right beside my neighborhood, and stick around to the end because at the end we're going to talk a little bit about what really makes this neighborhood awesome as far as golf cart ability. So you want to stay tuned for that. But I want to talk about what we're having here today. So we're going to see 2 models today, 2 spec homes that are ready, but all 6 of these homes range from 500 to mid 6s. And they've got them down. The smallest one is 1,910 square feet, all the way up to over 3,700 square feet in these spec homes. So they've got some really big ones. I like what they're doing here. 3-car garages on some of them.
That's
even
nice.
One of the specs, you're not going to see it today, but even one of the specs has 2 fireplaces.
Oh.
So they have one in the back porch and one inside. And they have lots of different models. So if you need an extra bedroom, if you need an office, if you need a huge laundry room, if you need an enormous sunroom, if you need big closets, they've got lots of different models here that work for that.
Even some with the guest suite downstairs. So if you like your mother-in-law, you can put them in there, right? You can also build from the ground up here. So we're standing right now in front of 2 of the model homes that they have here. And you can pick your everything. Pick your lot, pick your floor plan, all the stuff that goes inside of it. And it's probably going to be a little bit more than these spec homes, I would say. Yeah. Because you're picking everything, right?
But there's some videos in the past of us touring these model homes. Check those out. Beautiful, angled arches, angled ceilings, I was going to call those. Yeah, arches.
Same thing.
Yeah, see, now I want McDonald's. I thought golden arches.
The double arches?
Yeah,
nice.
I can't help myself. So really good options. We are a fan of this builder.
Yes.
And this builder plays very nice with realtors, so make sure you call us before you come rolling in here, and we'll bring you in. But they work very well with realtors, and so there's no downside to calling a realtor, only upside. Let's go show you these models.
All right, Jeff, this is the Saluda model, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,090 square feet home with 3-car garage. A lot of 3s. Yeah. 3-car garage in this one.
So I don't think there's power in this one yet, and there's somebody inside working, but we're going to get a feel. This one's going to be a couple months before it's done.
Yeah.
But really jealous of the 3-car garage.
Yeah, because you could, let's say you had a golf cart, which, as we'll talk about, this neighborhood is very golf cart friendly. You could park that golf cart here and have all of this for shelving.
Yeah. That's a very loud truck going by.
Yeah. Or you could use this whole side. That way you have the corner, park 1 car here, 1 car there.
So I think what I would do is, Andrea would want to park in the garage, but she's got some depth perception problems.
Look, she slammed into a parked car.
So I need the 2-car garage door for her.
And you could use the other one.
And I could use this one over here.
Yeah.
So her car plus a golf cart or the slingshot here, and then mine over here.
Yeah, and they're doing the tankless in the garage here. So that way it won't freeze in case it doesn't get frozen off in here, but won't freeze if
Happened a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Door open in there. We're gonna go in the.
We gotta
go in the front door.
Nice floors. They're a little bit more beachy looking, not as earthy. Look how high that ceiling is.
Oh man.
Wow.
That's 25. 30 feet?
Right? I wouldn't want to paint all the way.
No.
You got the coffered ceiling in the whole living room here.
Oh yeah. Look how far
all the way across. That's amazing. They're doing the floors over there now, so we're not going to bother him. But really nice kitchen layout. I like all that. Plenty of cabinets on the front of that island.
Yeah, I like these.
Plenty of storage.
I like the storage here.
Yeah.
And so I wonder what's, I'm going to sneak back here.
All right, you sneak back there. I'll sit here.
Hello. All right, so back here, in from the garage, you've got a landing zone here, and you've got a full bedroom back here with, oh no closet. Okay, so this is an office space, but you've got a full bathroom coming in here. So I guess you could use that as a bedroom if you wanted to. And then there's linen closet here. And then across the way is going to be some storage space or the pantry, I guess.
This is on a wooded lot, Jeff.
Oh, is it?
Yep. You got, if you go look straight out, you got some HOA space and then woods to the left.
There's a fireplace in this one. Okay. And then there is a back porch over there, not covered, but patio. So all bedrooms, unless you want to use that one as a bedroom, upstairs in this one.
This one's listed at $619 right now.
How many square feet was it?
Just over 3,000.
Okay, so big loft space, top of the steps.
Yep, like that. I'm guessing secondary that way, but they're working in there.
Yeah, I'll see if I can just dip around the corner here. So we've got
two secondary?
Two secondaries, with one having access out to the second story porch mark.
Okay.
Hello.
That's very nice.
Got a bathroom here.
And then here you have your laundry room, which then goes into the master closet.
Oh, I like that.
Huge.
Big this is.
Right? And then out into...
I can't get over the size of this room.
Where are we? This is the primary. And then you have a whole sitting room here, Jeff.
Oh, this is that one that has you walk straight. Okay, so I'm going to go back and come in like you'd be normally coming in. So here's the loft. Oh, Mark's going to do the great entrance.
Oh, breaking stuff. Ready?
Yep.
Ta-da! Welcome
Ta-da.
to your master suite.
So you come in and there's...
That'll be a great office.
This isn't even like a separate space of the bedroom. This is like a whole nother room.
Yeah, it's like its own space, but
it's
you're
like
inside
a
your
sunroom
suite.
for your bedroom.
Yeah.
So we can't go in here, obviously. They're working on the floors. But dual sink. Looks like a closet back there, maybe.
Yep. And then
Shower,
there's
and then
primary.
Huge primary.
I really like this layout. It's the whole back of the house.
Yeah, it is. You're right. It covers the whole back of the house.
Yeah.
I think I'm jealous of this room.
Yeah, me too.
This will be fun. Cool house. Mark, this one's a little bit of a mystery. This one is ready to go. They had this one under contract, but it fell through because the person couldn't sell their house in California in time, so it fell through. So it's pretty much done, ready to go. But look, we're rules followers.
No shoes.
Not wearing shoes. Got a nice front porch. Hardy plank siding in this neighborhood.
Okay.
I just went around and turned on all the lights. They might have this one written down wrong. This is somewhere between 3,400 and 3,700 square feet. I don't know which one it is.
Okay.
But I think this is the Webster. It's confusing upstairs. The first time you're in. I want you to see it. I'm excited. All right. Huge. Office space in the front.
This is humongous.
Every room in here is big. There's no small bedrooms. There's no small anything in this house.
And they're giving the blinds.
Blinds are in here already. A lot of great upgrades in this that they put in as, well, I don't know if this was a spec home or if this was a built from the ground up because it was under contract.
Right.
So you got the double ovens here.
Microwave over, right?
Microwave, yep. Microwave over. But look at this. So we got gas. They even put the fancy drinking fountain in for the pasta filling. This is a cool looking hood.
Yeah, I like that.
This is neat looking. Got a fireplace in here. Really put some nice lighting in here. Got the big farmhouse sink. Oh, this is a Frigidaire stovetop too.
Yeah.
Frigidaire Professional.
Professional. Ooh. Fancified.
It is. Yeah, you got to use your fancified word today. I'm happy. Massive space. Huge. Sunroom. Pre-wired for a ceiling fan.
Okay.
Blinds up that you already called out. There's no porch on this one, but it's got a nice little patio out here.
Yep.
But you could obviously do something else back there.
It's on a berm lot, right?
Yep.
Got some HOA space and maybe a partial pond view over there.
if you turn sideways and stand on one leg.
Yeah.
And
if you were
jump
like
up and
in
down.
your camera on that live, you might be able to see.
Yeah, keep bringing that up. All right, so fireplace in this one, gas fireplace. I turned it on so you can see what that looks like because we don't often show that.
Very purdy.
Got the magic chase here so you can run your wires from behind the television down off the side. So if you have a surround sound system or you're still using a DVD player, hey, you might even have a VHS.
You never know. You might have both. Betamax.
Is there a difference in our age here?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
I think the 6 years is making it happen right
Do
now.
me a favor, comment if you know what a Betamax is. I want Mark to see that I'm not the only
It's
one.
those little tapes.
Well,
right?
it's pre-VHS. It was
Yeah.
was before the VCR.
There was something else before the VCR too. I forget. I don't remember. All right.
So you got some windows up here for lighting. So you've got, got 10 windows across the back of this thing probably.
I love how
the ones on the
Mungo
side.
does the coffered ceiling
Yes.
too. So
And they
nice.
actually put a nice ceiling fan in here.
Yeah. You might not have to switch it out.
So let's go back this way because there's a little surprise back here.
I saw that little secret.
So you've got this room, 2-car garage here, but a big pantry here.
I like how it's kind of separated.
It is. And then
Drop zone.
some shelving, a strop zone, and an ensuite bathroom down here on the secondary bedroom. So mother-in-law kind of a thing, full bath, good sized room. This is the smallest, I think, of
All the bedroom.
all the bedrooms. I feel like the ones upstairs were bigger.
Okay.
Big
Nice.
closet. So hard floors out there, carpet in the bedrooms.
Okay.
There's the 2-car garage is pretty standard. I did look at it. Not a lot of extra storage space in there.
Okay.
All right, so a regular coat closet here. I like the floors they put in.
Yeah, they're not too grayish. They're
look
got
at
like
these.
earthy tones to it.
Look, you got a little.
Little sheet pan.
Oh yeah, look, it's even got the divider for sheet
Nice.
pans in there.
And I like these quartz countertops too.
And
Half bath.
a half bath. So you got the half bath here plus the full bath in the suite down here on the first floor.
Very good.
All right, head upstairs and go left.
All right. Got the railings down there. That's nice. This is for where the cat sits up there.
Yeah, I'd put a little palm tree there, I think.
Palm
Make
tree.
it Charleston-y.
This is a huge bonus space. Look how big this is.
Yeah.
Gosh, I could put a simulator in here if the ceilings were a little higher.
Yeah. Pre-wired
Wow.
for ceiling fan, blinds in the windows, 4 big windows in here. This is a big space.
Very nice.
All right, so dual zones, upstairs and downstairs.
Alrighty.
Here's where it gets a little confusing for me. I got lost the first time. Laundry room here where most of the bedrooms are.
Okay.
And now you've got 2 huge bedrooms.
We're going right.
When I first saw this, I thought this was the primary.
But it's going
Big walk-in closet for a secondary.
and its own bathroom. Oh, okay.
It's got a,
Jack and Jill?
yeah, but it's a cool Jack and Jill.
Oh, I think I remember this from the other neighborhood.
So we got the one sink here.
This is your own sink.
That's in from the hallway.
Oh, so it's a shared sink.
Okay. And then throne room, bathtub, linen closet here.
Okay. And then into another sink, right?
Yep. Another sink. Another big walk-in closet. And then the final bedroom, which is much bigger than a standard secondary bedroom.
Yeah. King size, easy.
So you've got 3 ways into this bathroom. You've got one from the hall, so if you have people up here doing their thing in the loft, they can come down here, go in the hall, or you have access from both of these bedrooms.
That's pretty cool.
And then, so you don't have a bathroom that you've got to go into somebody's bedroom
Okay.
if you're just hanging out up here.
And we didn't go the other way, right?
Do not see it yet.
Okay.
So this is the primary. And there's a big, now you'd think, is this the closet for the
Is that like a linen
primary?
closet?
This is just a massive storage linen closet.
Holy moly, this is huge. Tray ceiling with the, what do they call that again? Crown molding.
I mean,
Look at this thing.
listen.
You
got an
can fit
alternative
2 beds.
lifestyle. You can put 3 beds in this bad boy. You got,
Probably.
yeah.
At least 2 on that wall.
Should we be marketing houses for swingers?
Well, there are those, what do they call them, sister wives or whatever?
Thruple, maybe?
Thruple?
I've heard the term thruple.
Okay.
We don't really know what we're talking about with
No.
this. But listen, no matter what you want to do, this bedroom is big enough.
Yes.
Okay, so check out this bath. Here, wait.
This could be a suite.
I feel it is. I feel like it's more dramatic if you.
You should open it from the inside.
Okay, wait. I'll welcome you in.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, open.
Look at the size of this thing. Wow.
Hold on. That's a big throne room too.
Yeah. You could even put the litter box if you had a cat in there and make it a dedicated pooping room.
Right.
Cats and people.
Mm-hmm. I like that shower.
So
closet, right?
one of 2 closets. So you got the his and the hers thing going on.
You mean the one out in the hallway plus this? Or
There's another one.
another one. Okay. This is a linen closet, I'm assuming.
Yep, but deep linen closet.
And here's the other one. Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
It's amazing.
So, like the one thing I have on this says 3,400. Don't you feel like this is 3,700?
Gotta be. Gotta be.
It's too big.
Yep. What is this? Another linen closet.
Yeah, if you got too many towels and you don't have room for it, you got a towel problem.
I think so.
So, I mean, just standing here, look all the way in to the far side of the bedroom.
I'm gonna run.
Oh, we made him run.
Oh! I'm gonna trip.
So, massive house, move-in ready to go. Currently priced at $649, ready now.
$650. All right.
Hey, so I think you can see what we love about this builder. It is higher end stuff, nicer finishes, and some really cool floor plans.
Yeah, I like the neighborhood too. Mungo always does some intricate details like you were talking about with the trim, the coffered ceilings. The neighborhood has all hardy plank. The other thing I like about where this neighborhood is located is, as we were saying earlier, it's very golf cart friendly.
Oh yeah.
You live really close to here.
Yep.
Maybe just let them know kind of what you can golf cart to over there.
Yeah, so as a part of Carnes Crossroads, which this is right next door to Carnes Crossroads, but you can get here to my neighborhood from this neighborhood by golf cart. So you can get over to all the restaurants, the grocery stores, the shopping, everything that Carnes Crossroads has to offer, you can get to by golf cart. So you've got the Hawaiian restaurant, the Hawaiian poke bowl, whatever it is.
Where the new Uptown Goose Creek is. Right?
Freddy's, Starbucks, and the other coffee shop that we really
Dunkin'
love. Dunkin' Donuts also. Cup of Manna, great pecan coffee. If you like pecan coffee, try it out.
2 different Mexican restaurants.
2 different Mexican restaurants.
The Pittsburgh pizza place.
The
right?
Pittsburgh, yep, Steel City.
Steel City.
And then there's an ice cream shop over there. There's been a jewelry store over there.
And there's more coming because they're building that
hotel, a Publix, and a Harris Teeter, and more. I think there's a rooftop bar grill kind of a thing going in. So lots of stuff that you can get to by golf cart from this neighborhood.
I love that. Well, if you want to know more about this neighborhood, down in the description, click on the link. You can book a Zoom call with us. We'll find out from you what questions that we can answer for you, kind of figure out what the lifestyle you want to live is. Do you want that golf cart lifestyle? Do you want to be close to a lot of stuff? Some people prefer to be a little bit out and want that 10 or 15 minute drive to a grocery store. But click that link, it'll drop right into our calendars. You can book that call and we can answer all your questions.
Yeah, do us a favor, like and subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing a couple videos a week all about the area. And then Tuesday nights at 7 o'clock, we're doing a live every Tuesday night. We've been having a blast on that. Had a bunch of people on asking us questions live. It's a good time. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.